First of all, we saw this little rust-colored stain here and then realized that it apparently is coming from a slow drip on the escutcheon of the cold water side that's causing that problem, and no matter how hard you turn this down, you can't stop the water from dripping out. Now something like this can cost you a lot of money. With that steady dripping of water, your water bill can go way up. But to repair it is very simple, and it starts with turning off all of the water to the house. With the water off, you can begin removing the valve, and the first step is taking off the valve handle. This is usually secured with just a single screw. To remove the valve itself, you'll need a deep well socket wrench to slide over the valve so that you can turn it to unthread it from the valve housing inside the wall. Once it's out, you should see another screw on the opposite end of the valve which holds the washer in place. Remove the screw and the washer, then you can replace the washer with a new one of the same size and put the valve back together. A few laps of Teflon tape around the valve before you rethread it will ensure a good seal in the housing, but be careful not to over-tighten it. If you strip the threads in a housing, well, there's a call to the plumber in your near future.